Hi everyone, I'm Suresh Shirahane. I'm the founder and CEO of Yoga Canvas. I am an entrepreneur, I am a motivational speaker, and I love to travel a lot. And my work also makes me travel a lot. So, yeah, I would like to say that my life is extremely hectic and it has been very hectic, since the time I have started working. I think in the last 10 years, post my graduation and post graduation as well. And during all of this time, with all of the travel and eating outside, I think I had a very unhealthy lifestyle with no routine in place. And this is the second time, or I think the third time, when I have enrolled for the Alive protocol, as we call it right now. But yeah, I think I started way back in 2019. That was the first time I came on board for this protocol, with functional nutrition, where Mukta suggested that we should get your blood work done and we should see what are the issues. Because that time while I was traveling, I also had a lot of weight gain and I had some back pain as well. And I did not want it to manifest into a disease or a lifelong illness in that term. So that was the first time I went for that. And this time as well, I had a very specific purpose in mind, which was freezing my eggs. With the kind of hectic life we have, there is no time for planning a baby right now. But I think this is the right time. I'm 32, so it is the right time to freeze my eggs. And that is the reason why we decided to again go on this protocol, to completely bring the body as well as the mind, the physical health as well as the mental and emotional health into a streamline. And while I was going through the program as well, there were so many issues that were happening. My father had his paralysis attack. He was admitted in the hospital. I was in the hospital with him for almost 1.5 months. I was in my hometown and I was working and I was stressing about him. But yes, I think Pooja, who was and who is my nutritionist from the iThrive team, she has been an immense support. Like right now, if whatever positive signs we see in the post analysis, in the post protocol analysis, like improved liver and improved parameters and improve absorption of multiple supplements as well as multiple nutrients in the body, all those things have been possible because Pooja is an amazing motivator. Okay, apart from being an amazing nutritionist, she's an amazing motivator. And she gets herself in your shoes, she understands your situation, and that is how she guides you. So, that is the reason I think even after a roller coaster ride in the last 3 months, when I started with the protocol, and I was not expecting, that there would be a medical emergency and it would be so much of stress for me, but that is how it happened. But still, I was able to follow most of the protocol, I would say, not completely, because, of course, being in the hospital and dad was in the ICU. So, food and choosing your food, there was not a lot of choice. But we still made very good choices in that, and Pooja guided me in that. And I think the entire team of iThrive was always, just one message away, which really helped me out, not just like with my protocol, but with my mental stability at that time and even currently, I would say. And the protocol went on well, given the situation I was in. And post protocol, there have been a lot of improvements in many markers. I even lost almost 4 kg weight. I lost 2.5 inches. And I think I am in a much better mental and emotional space. I did follow a lot of breath work as well as a lot of meditations that were suggested by the team, apart from doing my own meditations that I do regularly. And the entire holistic program helped me extremely to improvise on my health, improvise on my lifestyle, and improvise on my routine. Because routine is something that we all always struggle, when we are traveling and when it is a hectic job and when you are a startup founder. I think most of the startup founders that I have heard about struggle with having a routine and struggle with having that discipline in their lifestyle and that discipline in their eating habits or, while they are traveling and all of those things. But I think the iThrive team has supported me immensely through this entire journey. And I am sure that I would love to stay connected and love to get on this protocol again if I find there are some health discrepancies or health issues that come in the future. And I hope they should not come, that's for sure. But I'm sure that the iThrive team is always there to support me the way they have supported. Of course, functional nutrition is something that is extremely specific to you, right? It is extremely specific to your body type, to your lifestyle, to your blood reports. The results or the suggestions or the protocol is also extremely customized to you, right? And that is the reason I believe that everybody should go for functional nutrition rather than going for nutrition, that is given throughout, because everybody has a different body. Your body reacts to different elements differently, and you react to stress differently, you react to your food differently. So I think we all need to have that very individualized kind of a protocol which comes through functional nutrition only. So I would suggest all of you to go out there and get your blood work done and then figure out how to deal with your health in a positive manner. So thank you.